13 Honda CRV. We're going to change out the radio with the Android. First thing we're going to do is remove the air vent. Simply pry that out on both sides. And it should be 10 mil bolt. Remove them, and radio comes out. Disconnect all the harnesses. Okay, this Android radio, same shape as the factory one. You're simply going to put the air vent here and the switch here. So we got to separate the air vent inside because it doesn't have this bezel which is attached to here. So remove 2 screws, unclip, and transfer over to the radio. We're also doing backup cam. These side panels were here. First panel you're going to remove is this one. And unsnap the side panel. Then the entire back panel comes off.
People do that shit. Yeah.
This Android radio comes with all the harnesses that plugs into the factory, as you can see. They only fit in one way, so even if you try to put it in the wrong plug, it won't fit. So however way it fits, that's the way it's going to be. They're all different shapes. So you just plug it in, tape up whatever you don't use, and everything should be fine. This header switch here is hitting this, so we're going to cut this off, make a room for the switch to go in.
Why the fucking money shuts down? Where's my phone at? You see the beautiful...
Oh,